Assalamualaikum and good day to Madam Madina. My name is Nona Joshakina Bidin Nezali, and today my group will present our case study. Our project is Data Network Infrastructure Upgrade for Cyberlink Solutions Sinan Berhad. In this presentation, we will explain the company current network, the problem they face, and our proposed network solution. Before we begin, let me introduce our team members. First is Ahmad Abdul Talib bin Muhammad. Second is Muhammad Arif Haziq bin Muhammad Yasir Hasmawi. Last is me, Yana Shokina bin Nizali. Now, let's move to the company background. Cyberlink Solutions Namraha is a technology company located in Shah Alam, Selangor, with a branch office in Johor Bahru. The company provides several IT services, including software development, cybersecurity, cloud computing, and IT consulting. Since the company serves many businesses across Malaysia, it needs a secure and reliable network infrastructure to support its daily operation. Currently, the company uses a basic flat network architecture. Both offices use broadband routers and unmanaged switch. There is no VLAN segmentation, so every department shares the same network. The two offices are connected using a basic site-to-site VPN, but there is only limited monitoring and network management. As the company grows, this network is no longer suitable. The existing network has several problems. First, network performance becomes slow during these hours because of high broadcast traffic. Second, all departments share the same network, which creates risk, especially for sensitive departments like finance and human resource. The company also experienced unstable communication between branches, limited WAN redundancy, and difficult network troubleshooting. Lastly, the current network does not support future expansion. To understand the company's need, we interviewed three stakeholders, which is IT manager, software development manager, and branch manager in Johor Bahru. Okay, the IT manager requests better network management, VLAN segmentation, and stronger security. Next is the software development manager wanted faster network performance, stable access to shared resource, and support for future expansion. And the last is the branch manager in Johor Bahru requests a reliable connection to the headquarters with secure access and minimum network disruption. These requirements help us design a better network solution.
Alright, next, this slide show our proposed network topology for Cyberlink Solution Seminar Berhad. For the Shah Alam headquarters, we use a three-tier hierarchical network design which consists of the core layer, distribution layer, and access layer. This structure is suitable for the headquarters because it has more departments, users, and network devices. The core layer acts as the main backbone of the network. The distribution layers manage traffic between different parts of the network, while the access layer connects and devices such as computers, servers, and wireless devices. For the Johor Bahru branch, we use a collapsed core architecture because the branch has fewer user and devices. This makes the network simpler and more cost effective. Overall, this proposed topology provides better performance, easier network management, improved reliability, and better scalability for the future growth. Next, this slide show our proposed logical network design. In this design, we divide the network into separate VLANs based on each department. The main purpose is to reduce unnecessary traffic and improve network security. At the Shah Alam headquarters, VLAN 10 is used for management, VLAN 20 for finance, VLAN 30 for human resources, and VLAN 40 for software development, VLAN 50 for cybersecurity and IT, and VLAN 99 for the server farm. For the Johor Bahru branch, VLAN 60 is used for sale, VLAN 70 for customer support, and VLAN 80 for technical support. By separating each department into its own VLAN, the network becomes easier to manage and more secure. It also helps prevent unnecessary traffic from affecting another departments. Next, this slide shows our physical network design for both company locations. The first diagram shows that the one connection between the Shah Alam headquarters and the Johor Bahru branch. Both locations communicate securely over the internet. The second diagram shows the physical network at the Johor Bahru branch. Since the branch is smaller, it used a simple setup with a branch router, core switch, access switches, and department devices. The third diagram shows the Shah Alam headquarters where the main network devices are placed, including the router, firewall, core switch, access switches, servers, and wireless access point. Overall, this physical design shows how the devices are arranged and connected at both locations to support reliable and secure network communication. Next, this slide shows the main internet working devices used in our proposed network design. First, we use the Cisco ISR4331 router for WAN connectivity and secure VPN communication between the Shah Alam headquarters and Johor Bahru branch. The Cisco ASA5506X firewall is used to protect the network from unauthorized access. For the main network backbone, we use the Cisco Catalyst 3850 core switch. The Cisco Catalyst 3506X is used at the distribution layer to manage network traffic, while the Cisco Catalyst 2960X connects and devices such as computer and printers. We also use the Cisco Aeronet 1832i for wireless connectivity and Windows Server 2022 to provide share services and application. Overall, these devices were selected to improve network performance, security, and management.
So, so now we move on to security and reliability improvement. So first, for VLAN segmentation, VLAN segmentation separate each department into different networks. For example, finance, human resource, software development, and security that will not share the same network. This help reduce unnecessary traffic and improve security between departments. Second, firewall protections. The firewall works as a security barrier between the internal company network and outside traffic. It helps both unauthorized access and protect important company resources from security threats. And third, access control between departments. Access control means only unauthorized user can access certain system profiles. For example, not all staff be able to access finance or human resource data. This makes the network safer and more controlled. Fourth, secure site-to-site VPN. The site-to-site VPN connects the Shah Alam headquarters and Johor Bahru branch through a secure connection. It helps protect data when both offices communicate through the internet. 5. The better isolation of sensitive data. Sensitive information such as finance records, staff data, and company files can be separated from normal user traffic. This will reduce the risk of data being accessed by the wrong department. So now we move on to the reliability improvements. So first, structure network architecture. The proposed design uses a hierarchical network structure instead of a flat network. This make the network more organized and easier to manage. Second, a better traffic management. Network traffic can be controlled more properly because each department has its own plans. This helps the network run smoothly, especially during busy hours. And third, improved branch connectivity. The Johor Bahru branch can connect more securely and reliably to the Shah Alam headquarters. This is important because branch staff need access to company file and system. And fourth, reduces network congestions. Since traffic is separated by departments, the network will have less unnecessary broadcast traffic. This helps improve overall performance. And lastly, for easier troubleshooting, if a problem happens, the IT department team can identify the affected department or network sessions more easily. This saves time compared to checking the large flat network. So now we move on to benefits of proposed design. So first, faster network performance. The network becomes faster because traffic is managed using VLAN and proper hierarchical design. This reduces congestion and allows users to access system more efficiently. Second, a stronger network security. Security is improved through VLAN segmentation, firewall protections, and access control. These features help protect the company from unauthorized access and reduce security risks. Third, a better communication between offices. The Shah Alam headquarters and Johor Bahru branch can communicate through a secure WAN connections. This will allow branch employees to access headquarters resources more safely. Fourth, easier network monitoring. Because the network is more structured, the IT departments can monitor devices, department, and also traffic more clearly. This may help network management easier. Five, improved reliability. The process design is more stable because the network is divided into proper layers and sections. A problem in one department will not easily affect the whole network. Six, better support for wireless users. Wireless access points are provided from employees who use laptop and mobile devices. This gives users more flexibility to access to the network. Seventh, easier future expansions. If the company adds more employees, device, or department in the future, the network can be expanded more easily without changing the whole design. 8. More efficient, efficiency daily operations. Our staff can work more smoothly because the network is faster, safer, and easier to manage. This part the company daily business activities. And lastly, for the conclusions. So first, the proposed new one design provide a more secure, reliable, and scalable infrastructure. This means the new design is better than the current flight network because this improves security, supports stable connectivity, and can grow with the company in the future. Second, replacing the flight network with hierarchical design improves performance and management. The hierarchical design separates the network into proper layers such as core, distribution, and asset layer. This makes traffic more organized and easier for the IT team to manage. Third, line segmentation strengthens security between departments. Each department is separated into its own network, so sensitive data is better protected. This is important for departments like finance, human resource, and cybersecurity. Fourth, the secure ones connections support communication between Shah Alam and Johor Bahru. The site-to-site VPN help both offices communicate securely through the internet. This allows the branch office to access headquarters resources more safely. And lastly, the proposed design is suitable for current operation and further growth. The company can use this design to improve daily operations and it can also expand the network layer when the company grows. I think that's all from me about this explanation until these conclusions.